Welcome sa ating channel today. Visit natin ang website ng Pag-Ibig to check kung na-credit na ba yung dividend sa mga investor. Credited na po, 6.6% sa regular saving and 7.1% naman sa MP2 savings. The 2024 dividends para sa Pag-Ibig regular savings at returns on MP2 savings. Click natin ito. If first time mo sa aking channel, welcome and please subscribe. Thank you. At tingnan nyo guys yung dividend rates nila. Since 2011 to 2024, 2011 to 2014, almost 4.6% average. Highest dividend is 8.11% year 2017, 7.43% year 2016, 7.41% naman year 2018. Noong time ng pandemic, hindi bumaba sa 6%. Partida pandemic pa, meaning ganun ka-stable ang MP2 savings. At ngayon, 7.1% year 2024. Pwede pong mag-online enrollment, punta lang kayo sa e-services, then click on MP2 savings enrollment. These are the requirements na need prepare. First, Pag-Ibig membership ID, MID number. 2. One valid ID. 3. Selfie photo. 4th, proof of income, source of fund. 5th, Philippine passport for former natural-born Filipino. 6th, certificate of reacquisition, retention of Philippine citizenship. Tick, proceed. This is one way how to make your money working for you. Invest na sa Pag-Ibig MP2 savings. Thanks for watching.